Hello children. Today we are going to learn about the trigonometric ratios for the angles 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So first of all, let us determine the value for 0 degrees. Okay. For this, let us consider a ray AB. Here AB is a ray. Okay. And BC is the height. BC is the height. And AC is the segment of length R. Okay, it is the segment of length R. Here angle A is theta, which is making an acute angle with the ray AB. Here A is making an acute angle theta with the ray AB. BC is the height and AC is R. Okay, AC is the segment of length R. Okay, now just observe one thing children. Here the angle is theta, which here A is making angle theta. Okay, when you decrease this AC, when you lean this AC to the wall, when you lean this AC little bit down, then theta decreases. Yes or no? Let us suppose here theta is 60 degrees. When you reduce this, when you bring this to the down, see here I have brought AC little bit down. The theta also decreases. When you observe your protractor, let us suppose this as 60. Here the theta is 60. Then when you bring this down, the theta will be, let us assume it as 45. When you decrease still more, the theta will be 30. This is our assumptions, our angles are the assumptions, but the angles decreases. Yes or no children? As the angle decreases, the height BC also decreases. Here the point shifts from B to B1, B2, and finally it coincides with ray AB. Yes or no? When the AC coincides with ray AB, the theta becomes 0. Yes or no? Here angle A is 0. And we know that BC is the height. Here BC decreased. Yes or no? It is coinciding. That means the height of BC is also 0. So for theta, BC is the opposite side. Opposite is 0 and AC is coinciding with AB. Yes or no? Here ACR is coinciding with AB. That means AC is equals to AB. So we have angle A is equals to 0, BC is 0 and AB is equals to AC. That is nothing but R. Now apply our trigonometric ratios. Sin A. For sin A, opposite side is BC and adjacent side is AB. Yes or no? That only I wrote here. BC by adjacent hypotenuse side is AC. Opposite is BC, hypotenuse is AC. Here BC is 0, hypotenuse AC is R. 0 by anything is 0. Similarly, cos A is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is AB, hypotenuse is AC. Adjacent AB is R, hypotenuse AC is also R, that is 1. Similarly, tan A is 0 by 1, that is 0. Here you know 0 is, A is nothing but 0 degrees. Yes or no children? So what you have got, sin 0 is equals to 0, cos 0 is equals to 1, tan 0 is equals to 0. Okay children? Now similarly you have to find the values for secant 0 degrees, cosecant 0 degrees, cot 0 degrees. Okay, you will be having these values. AB is equals to AC is equals to R, and use this triangle and find the values. Next we are going to find the values for 90 degrees. Okay, we are going to find the value for 90 degrees. Now again take the ray AB. BC is the height, A is 0 degrees. Now here I am increasing the theta value. That means I am moving this AC this side to the left. That means here let us suppose the theta is 60 degrees. When you move a little bit this side, the theta increases. Let us assume 70, then 80, then 90. Here AC is coincided, AC is becoming straight. Here it is leaning, it is becoming straight. Here BC is coinciding with AC. Here BC is shifted to X, B is shifted to X and then Y. Okay, here BC, XC, YC and then finally to AC. Okay children, here angle A is 90 degrees and BC is equals to AC. Okay, and here the adjacent side will be 0 because this is reducing. This is reducing. When you come this side, it is reduced, again reduced, again reduced. Here AB is 0. BC is equals to AC. Okay, and angle we know we are determining it for angle 90 degrees. So angle A will be 90 degrees and adjacent side AB is 0. Height BC is equals to AC is equals to R. Now I apply sin A. Here A is nothing but 90 degrees. Sin A, here A is the theta. For opposite side is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. BC by AC, that is R by R, that is 1. Similarly cos A, cos 90 is 0 by R, that is 0. Similarly find the values of tan 90 degrees, that is nothing but tan A. Here A will be 90. Okay, cot A, secant A, cosecant A. Okay children, along with this try to do this, try these exercises. Tomorrow I will discuss the trigonometric table, which is most important concept for the trigonometry. Okay children, good luck. Bye.